Pecan pie with its simple ingredients is easy, like your mum used to make. The unsocials are going to destroy me later on in this video. Let's dive into making this yummy treat together.
Let's get this over with.
Here's our simple ingredients. Preheat your oven to 350F or 180 Celsius, and the total time, about an hour. Check the description for a full ingredients list. They'll be on the screen too, below and on the screen. Here's what we need for our pecan pie. Haven't got corn syrup? Use maple. No maple? Use honey. We want to eat pie. Our first step is the base of our pie, a 9-inch, 23cm ready-made crust. Who's got the time or skill to do pie base from scratch? If you do, you're on the wrong channel. No, I'm only messing. You're not. You're in the right place. Ever wondered what makes a pecan pie truly unforgettable? Me neither. On the level, stay with me as we mix simple ingredients to create something delicious. Got any pie disasters or triumphs to share? Drop a comment below. I love hearing your kitchen tales. I'm placing the pastry into our pie dish. There's a little bit poking out there, guys, so tuck or no tuck, up to you. Next, 250 grams or 2.5 cups of chopped pecans go right in. Maybe that's why it's called pecan pie? I'm going to be beating the brakes off 3 whole eggs, the whites and the yolks. Inclusivity matters. Now for the sweetness. 1 cup or 250 ml of maple syrup. Don't worry about diabetes, we'll burn that bridge when we come to it. Half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar joins the mix, creating a deep, multicultural caramelized taste. Vanilla extract time, 1.5 teaspoons. Old-fashioned vanilla came from a beaver's anus. True story. Here's a 1/4 cup or 55 grams of melted cooled butter. Half a teaspoon each of salt and cinnamon for a subtle spice kick. Add a tablespoon of flour to thicken the filling. Later on, notice how the flour changes the filling's consistency. That's our thickening hero at work. Watch for a golden brown hue. That's pie perfection. Let's pour this glorious filling over our pecans and get it in the oven. We'll bake it for 50 to 55 minutes at 350F or 180C, middle shelf. 20 degrees less for a fan-assisted oven. Loving the recipe? Hit like, subscribe and ring the bell for more. The subscribe button will illuminate if you do. Remember, kitchen safety is key, especially when handling hot ingredients. Now, let's check on our pie. Connect with me beyond YouTube, tag me in your pecan pie pics on your favourite socials, and comment below on how it went. Links in the description. Blow me. Can't wait to see your creations. Oh, that's actually good. I mean, I knew it would be, like, totally.
Woo! Yeah!
There you have it, folks. A pecan pie that's easy, delicious, and a little bit cheeky, like me. Hit those affiliate links. Get into that.
You sound surprised.
I am.
It's really good.
It's delicious. Loved it? Check the description for nutritional information and detailed steps. Until next time, good night, and may your God go with you.